It's me frying chicken.
What happened to all the chicken?
Why are you recording everything you do?
Crispy. This the season station. Where I season. This the flour part. Frying part. Done part.
The chicken part.
And then that's where you get our plates. What's up? What's up? Let's ask a couple of folks. Was the chicken good?
The kitchen, yes, the chicken was very good. I am very pleased with Ayanna Smith and her chicken.
Mama, don't say that.
Daddy, is the chicken good?
How many times I gotta tell you?
Well, he told me the first time. Take out the teeth. I want to help you put the chicken unseasoned. Put it in a bag of flour. Then grab a floured one and put it in the grease.
Don't nobody want to hear how to cook chicken. How to cook that chicken? No. How to cook that chicken? No. Just go to any ordinary black person at the supermarket and they'll explain to you step by step.
Step by step.
As simple as that.
And similar that because you were so ugly.